Hi children, good morning all. Welcome back to our class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 30, ways to multiply and divide. We know that how to multiply the one digit and two digit, we already studied. Okay, today we are going to study about the multiplication of three digit number. Okay, in this chapter we discuss about the multiplication about three digit numbers. In two digit and one digit we already studied. Okay, so children, our first question is 465 into 231. First write this as, that is 465 231 and into like this. Okay, first as usual, first we multiply these ones in the ones place number of this 231. This we multiply this ones by this 465. Okay, that is 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6, 1 4s are 4. The next step is we put a 0 in the first place, the down of the first place number. Okay, unit place we put a 0. The next step is, and then we multiply this 3 to this 465 by 1 by 1. Okay, so 3 5s are, first we multiply this 3 to this 5, 3 to this 5, 3 5s are 15, here we write 5 and 1 carry over the top of the 6, then 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 and 18 plus 1, 19, 19 the carry over 1 is being multiplied in the top of this 4, the next number. The next is 3 4s are 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13. That is, here we write as 3. The next step, we put the 0 in the first place and the tens place, that is in the unit place, and the tens place number. We put the zeros. Otherwise, if we no need to put the 0 mark, you have to start from the 100 place number. The third step is we have to start from the place number. But you carelessly you write in the ones place, so that I told you that you put a 0 here. Okay, if it is not right, it's no need to write the 0. If you understood about, then you have no need to write. But you have made so many careless mistakes in this case. So that's why I told you that this you just put the 0 here. Okay, understood? So here we multiply this 2 to this 465. That is 2 5s are 10. Here we write 0. And the 1 carry over here, 2 6 are 12. And 12 plus 1, 13. 13 here we write 3. And the carry over 1 here. And then 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. The next step is, as usual, it is addition. That is 5. Here we write 5. Here 6 plus 5. 11, carry over 1 here, then 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, here we write 14, 4, and the carry over 1, then 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 9 plus 1 is 10. So, our the result is, that is 107415, put a comma, then 1,07,415. 1,07,415. Understood? Now, the second question is 155 into 365. So here, 100. First write is 155, 365. Okay. First we multiply this 5 to this 155. That is 5 5s are 25. Here we write 5. The carrier is 2. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2, 27. Here we write 2. Then 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. The next we multiply, we put the 0 in the unit place number. Then next we select the 6, the tens place number as 6, and we just multiply throughout this 155. That is 6 5s are 30. Here we write as 0 and the carry over is 3 here. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. 33 here we write 3 and the carryover is 3. Then 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So here we write as 9. Okay. Then next we put the 0 in the unit place and tens place. We starting from this hundreds place number. So here 3 5s are 15. Here we write 5 and the carryover is 1. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. So here we write 6 and the carryover is 1. 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. The next step is put the numbers properly, arrange the properly, then only, otherwise you have made mistake. Okay. So here 5, the next step is addition. Okay. 5 and here it is 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 here we write 5 and the carryover is 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Here we write 6 and carryover is 1. 1 plus 4, 5. So here we get the number as 56,575. Okay. The next step is 234. That is, first we write 234, 562 like this. Multiply this. Then 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Next is put the 0 in the unit place and next is 6. We multiply this 6 throughout of this 234. 6 4s are 24. Here we write 4 and the carryover as 2. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Here we write 0 and the carryover 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. The next we put the 0 in the unit place and in the tens place and multiply this 5 to this 234. That is 5 4s are 20. Here we write 0 and carry over as 2. 5 3s are 8. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Here we write 7 and the carry over as 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. The next step is addition and here 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0. Put the carry over as 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 4 plus 7, 11. Carry over as 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. And here, how to read this? 1,31,508. Okay, understood. So children, you have to multiply these questions homework. Okay. Next is division. So first question is this 3,768 divided by 3. Okay. Here we write 3,768 divided by 3. So children, first we select the first number and how many times this 3 to go this 3. How many times? That is only one time. That is 1 3s are 3. Okay. We know about addition. Here 4 digit only. Here we study about the 3 digit division. Now it is 4 digit. Okay. So the next step is subtraction. 3 minus 3 is 0. And put the bring down this 7 from the top and here it is the number 7. And how many times to go this 3 to this 7? That is how many times to go? That is 2 times. That is 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Next is subtraction. 7 minus 6 is 1. Next number is 6. You just bring down this 6 from the top. Now we get as 16. So how many times? 3 4s are 12. Then 3 5s are 15. And 3 6 are 18. 3 5s are 15 and 3 6 are 18. We can't subtract this 18 from this 16. So we have to write this 3 5s are 8 15. How many times it's go? That is 5 times. That is 3 5s are 15. And next step is a subtraction. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And next is 8. We bring down this 8 from the top. That is down we get as 18. That is 3 6 are 18. So we get as 0. When we get that 0, then we just stop there. Okay. So here the number is what it is. Here the number we get as quotient. So we write as quotient. Quotient, quotient equal to what? That is 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 5, 6. And here this part is known as remainder. Here the remainder is 0. No need to write that remainder. Even in the remainder we get and we can't subtract from this number. So that is the remainder, you just write down. Here it is 0, so no need to write. Here the part is remainder and it is quotient part. Quotient. This place is known as quotient. The answer is known as quotient. Okay. So here the next question is 6176 divided by 4. Okay, children. So here 1. How many times this 4 to go this 6? How many times? That is 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. And this 8 is we can't subtract it from this 6. So we can't take this 8. So only one time, that is 1 4s are 4. And here 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. The next step is 1. Now we get as 21. Okay, that is 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 24, 6 are 24. So we can't subtract that 24 from this 21. So we take 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20. 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. The next step is 37. Here we write as 17. Okay, that is 4 4s are 60. Okay, 4 5s are 20. So we can't take that 4 5s are 20 here because it is 70. We can't subtract this 20. So we say 4 4s are this. How many times it go? This 4. That is 4 times. That is 4 4s are 60. 7 minus 6 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. The next step is also that is 60. How many times it go? That is 4 times. That 4 4s are 60. Here we get as remainder 0 and we just stop there. And here a quotient. Quotient equal 1544. That is 1544. Okay. 2367 divided by 3. So here we write as 2367 divided by 3. So children, first we select this 2. First we select this 2. How many times this 2, 2 goes this? That is only 1 3s are 3. Here we get 3. We can subtract. So only 0 time it is go. That is we write 0. 3 0. 3 into 0 is 0. We put 0 here. First number we select 2, but we can't subtract this 3 from this 2. That it means that how many times it go? It goes only 0 times. That is 3 into 0 is 0. Okay, understood? That is next step is subtraction. That is 2 minus 0 is 2. And we bring down this 3 from the top and now we get as 23. Then next is how many times it go this 3 to this 23. That is 9 3s are 18. Okay, 1 3s are 3. 7 3s are 21. Isn't it? 7 3s are 21. 8 3s are 24. We can't subtract this 24 to this from this 23. So we select this 21. And how many times that is? 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Next step is a subtraction. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. The next is 6. 26. And how many times that is? 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27. So 8 3s are 24. How many times? 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27. We can't subtract this 27 from this 26. So that number 24 we select. Okay, so now understood. That is 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. The next step is 7. And how many times this 3 to this 27? That is 9 3s are 27. So 7 minus 7 0. 2 minus 2 0. So we get as quotient as 789. This 0 is no need to read this. No need to read this 0 that in front of this 7. We just starting that number from, that is 789. Okay. Note this 0, 789, full 789. There is no value in this 0. Okay. If it is, the 0 is here, it has value, but in front of a number, the 0 has no value. Okay. Then the next question is 8037 divided by 9. First we select this number 8. Here the quotient equal to 789 and the remainder is 0. Okay. Here the number 9. How many times it go? You can't subtract this 9 from this 8. It means that it goes only 0 times. That is, here we get 0 9s are 0. 8 minus 0, 8. Here we write as 0. Then how many times 9? In 9's table, how many times this? That is 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72. So 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 8s are 72. So here we write as 72. Then 0 minus 2, that is, here we get 10 and it is 7. 10 minus 2 is 8. Here we write 0. The next we bring down 3 from here, that is, we get as 83. And how many times this 9 to go this 83? That is 9 9s are 81. So here we write as 9 9s are 81. And 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 minus 8 is 0. The next step is we bring down this 7 from the top. That is 9 3s are 27. So 0 0. We get the remainder as 0 and the quotient. And the quotient equal to what? 893. So children, fifth question and sixth question, do itself. Okay. And study today's portions 3 times, not 2 times, 3 times. You have to write each problems. And that note sent to me. Study well today itself. And thank you.